have the inside. You have a champion. You have a champion. You have a champion. Has nothing to do with sports. It has everything. 2008, when I was expected to win the 2008 gold medal, some people told that I had to have surgery to fix my knee. But there was no time. It's April. The Olympic trials are in July. There was going to be one more try for the Olympic Games. She didn't mean for me to go build one in the backyard. It is coming. If I want to losing every race, I don't care. I'm ready. One more race. Here I go. Putting my pants on 2.5 hours before the next race. I get a phone call. Hey, Mark, I need this race. I just need one more chance. If I get back up. Because there's something behind you. So you don't get your way. You don't get to put it when you need a straight line. Shot for the moon. And even though I didn't get the gold medal, I still walk away a champion. Because the definition of a champion does not always mean the person who crosses the finish line first. I do not believe that's the case because the definition of a champion is a person who applies themselves, works hard, gives everything that they have inside of them, leaves nothing left for anyone to question. And when they get to the finish line, no one expected me to be there, but here I am today, a champion. Your biggest enemy is you. If you do not believe you are capable of reaching your goals, you won't. You guys will get a poster that has the song, If You Have Fear, and if you have doubt, your dreams will be destroyed. No doubt, no fear. Simply believe. So believe, fellas. Thank you guys so much.